In the past 6 months, we've been able to generate over $50,000 from our affiliate marketing business. And you actually be thinking, Franklin, how exactly have you been able to achieve this much success with affiliate marketing within this short period of time? In this particular video today, guys, I want to show you guys one simple secret I actually use for myself, and hoping that you can actually follow up with this particular secret and replicate it to get the same result like I get. Now, most times we really think of our affiliate marketing business and we see it as a side hustle. Little do we know that affiliate marketing can actually become a full-time business and you can make a living of it. And because we take it as a side hustle, we basically just want to do what we feel we can actually do and leave the rest for whoever is going to take over. But then this is absolutely wrong, because this is the main reason why you're not getting as much result as you actually desire from that particular affiliate marketing business you have. In this particular video, I want to show you guys how you can actually build an affiliate marketing website. Having an affiliate marketing website is basically one of the most important things you actually need to have in order to scale your affiliate marketing income. Listen again, having an affiliate marketing website is basically one of the most important things you need to have in order to scale your affiliate marketing income. So if you're thinking of scaling your income as an affiliate, then you need to have a website. And in order to achieve building your affiliate marketing website in less than 10 minutes, you basically need three major things. One is you need your hosting, a very good one. I'm going to recommend you one right here in this video. Two is you need your landing page builder. Yes. And the third one here is you need a very good CMS. Now, CMS is content management system, and what we're going to be using right here, which is very easy and beginner friendly, is WordPress. Now, I'm going to be walking you guys through this particular process right now on how to set up your hosting, install WordPress, and start with adding up series of templates that would help you to scale in this particular space. Now, in order to get started with your hosting, we actually look at a couple of factors, and we want to consider speed, we want to consider security, we want to consider the uptime, we want to consider support, and a couple of other factors around your hosting. Now, there are several hosting out there, and I will usually say, if you're really concerned about building your affiliate marketing website, it is important to actually have a very good hosting. Now, this particular host right here I'm going to recommend to you guys is one I've actually used for a very long time, and actually keep on using because of their services, and at the same time, the full support they give me during the process. Most of us are not full experts when it comes to building websites, and we need one or two helps here and there, and you just need support from your hosting provider. Now, using my link down there, you're going to be getting a couple of discounts, and also you get access to a free domain for yourself. So that is one of the perks you are going to be getting using that particular link in the description. Now, coming over here on hosting, you can basically see that they have a couple of features that are made available for you, but this is just on the side. So I'm going to click on Claim Deal right now. And once I click on Claim Deal, I'm going to proceed to Add to Cart. So once I actually add to cart right here, it's going to take us to this particular page where we're going to choose hosting period. So we want to choose for 12 months. 12 months is actually a year, which is actually going for $3.49. But then it might actually be cost effective and more affordable if you actually want to buy it for like 4 years, which is $2.99. But let us just proceed, right? Awesome. So let's go on. So we're going to quickly choose 12 months. And once we choose 12 months, we're going to come down here. You can see it's asking for an account for us to log in, or we don't have an account. Let's just insert our email. Now, once this has been inserted right here, you want to come over to this section, and this is where you're going to fill in all of your details. Now, I'm going to put in my first name, last name, and other details required of me. So let's see. Now, once you're done with this, you're going to basically see that you actually have a 71% discount, and there are zero tax fees right here. Now, the total for this is actually $41.88. And like I said, this is because you are using my link. But beyond this, I'm also going to be giving you my code you can use to get extra discount for yourself. Now, coming over here, you want to click on Add a Coupon. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add in a coupon, Frank. And once I actually add in this coupon, Frank, I'll click on Apply. Now, once I click on Apply right in here, you're going to see that our discount is going to go from $41.88 to $37.69. Now, what I'm going to simply do next is to proceed and we get to add our card details. Now, like I've told you guys earlier, if you're basically in Nigeria or in different countries where you can't get a US card or your card is not available to pay online, you can basically use cheaper cash to get your US card for yourself. Now, I'm coming over here. I'm going to simply add the name on the card. On that, I can click on Submit and Secure Payment. Now, once you've actually done it, you can actually see that your payment is successful and it is redirecting you to the control panel. Okay, so it's saying here, please wait. It's going to only take a couple of seconds. And that is exactly what I'm going to do right now. Now, once you basically have done this, you can see it's creating a control panel for us right now. And once that has been created, I'll be able to log into my account. So right in here, it's already asking us to set a new password for ourselves, of which I'm going to do right now. So let me input my password, copy up your password, and insert password here, insert it again, and then click on confirm. Now, once I've basically done this, created my account here, it's going to redirect me, and you can see that I would start, the process of getting access to my HPAN. Now, voila, you can see that the process has actually been completed, and we can easily go ahead and start the process. Now, I'm going to click on I'm creating for myself. I'm building it myself. I'm building an online store. I know what I'm doing. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is to click on create a new website, which I'm going to click on right here, and I'm going to select WordPress. So what is going to happen here is that it's going to start creating a WordPress account for us. And there's an existing password. Let me just delete the password and put in mine. Now, once I've inserted my password right here, I can click on continue. And once I click on continue, I can actually click on skip. I'll manage plugins later. And it's also asking that I get to install a theme. Skip, I don't need a theme. Now it's saying I can actually claim my free domain. So this is really where I can claim my free domain. So I'm going to click on select right now, and I'm going to insert my domain. Now, once my domain has been inserted, let me go and make sure this is also on .com, and take this other one off. Awesome. So I'm going to click on search to see if it's available, and it is going to start searching to see if this particular domain is available for me right now. Yes, it is available. I can click on continue, and once I click on continue right here, it wants to take my contact details. I would add in all of my contact details and finish registration. Now it's going to take a while for it to register the domain, and at the same time set up my WordPress and get to install it for my use. Now you can see here it's already setting up my WordPress right here, and I'll click on finish setup. And once I click on finish setup inside of here, it's going to take me over to this space where I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes so that you can initialize all of the setup that is required of here. Now, it's also important to know that you're going to be getting a free SSL for yourself. And SSL is actually a secure second layer. This is exactly one of the things that help you to keep your website secured in the online space. And you can see it here, you're getting one for free as well. Now, this is fully done. And you can see it's asking me for a couple of options. I'm going to click on go to admin panel. And once I click on go to admin panel right here, it is going to load up my our WordPress website already for me. Now you need to understand that when you fully set up your WordPress website, it is important to note that with your new domain, it might actually take about 24 hours for that particular domain to propagate. Now this basically is where this domain is being checked up on every server around the world, and it is actually going to be showing that this domain has been purchased by you. So you might actually have to hold on. Now right in here is our dashboard, and you can basically see that this is what your basic WordPress dashboard is going to look like. And once you've been able to fully install WordPress, the next step for you is to install the landing page builder Elementor. Now Elementor is the landing page builder, and it is basically going to help you to build your landing pages for your website and your web page for your affiliate marketing business. Now the next step right here is to proceed, and you can actually come over here to plugins, and once you're here on plugins, you're going to add a couple of plugins. So we're going to add the Elementor plugin, but then Elementor has a free plugin and a pro plugin, and you can actually get access to the free plugin from the WordPress plugin repository, or you want to buy Elementor Pro plugin. And now we can get access to Elementor Pro by going over to the Elementor website. I'm going to show you guys right now because I have a link to that. So when you click on franklinmanuel.com/Elementor, you are going to be taken over to the web page on Elementor, and you're going to be seeing a couple of their page builder plugins that we can access right now and we can make purchase for. So let's come over here, and let me go to pricing, page builder plugin. There are a couple of other tools they have, but we want the page builder plugin. So you can see for one website you can buy it for $59. Okay, using that particular link, you can access this particular website and make purchase for the Elementor Pro. It is very important. Yes, you must have it if you really want to build funnels with Elementor. And I'm going to be leaving a link for you guys down there as well in the description. Now, for those people who are going to be joining my high profit affiliate marketing program, I'm going to give you access to this particular plugin for free, and also giving you for free what I'm going to be sharing with you guys right now. So you can basically see that I already have this particular Elementor Pro installed, and once this has been installed right inside of here, all I simply need to do is to start building my pages. Yes, that is the third step right here, because you simply just want to start building your pages. So let's take, for example, I am going to say, okay, YouTube live, I'm going to click on publish. And once I click on publish right now, I can click on edit with the Elementor. Now, what you want to simply do is to follow the landing page building guideline for every affiliate landing pages, and then you can actually start building. Now, I have also been able to create a couple of templates. You can see I have a couple of templates here: affiliate funnel, lead funnel, coaching funnel, opt-in funnel, cost funnel 2. And these templates are templates that you can basically just collect and upload it up on this particular website. I'm going to show you an example right now. Come in here, I can click on I can click on this particular widget right here, go over to my templates and come over here and click on import. So I want to import a particular template right now. Let's import one of the templates that I have built. So I'm going to click on select and then go over to download, and you can see this is the Elementor template right in here. Okay, so I'm going to simply continue, enable and import, and once this is done importing, we are going to insert it on the web page. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I have a couple of free templates, and at the same time giving you a couple of free pro plugins to fully set up your affiliate website and get to start installing it. And this is exactly what you get, inclusive with every other of the coaching, lessons that I'm going to be teaching you guys inside of the affiliate marketing program. And what you basically want to do right now is to use the first link you see in the description to get access to this particular program right away. And it is currently going at 50% off because this is the best time to buy into starting making money on the online space. If you are thinking of starting up a side hustle that actually leads you to financial freedom, then this is your best bet, and this is the best time to get started. And let me coach you on what you can do right now that will help you scale. Click the first link down there and join me in the class. Now, I've been able to insert this particular template. I'm going to click on insert again, so that we can actually drop it down on the page. So you guys can basically see right here, this particular page has been inserted fully. And let me take off this particular header section. I'm going to come in here. And I will go over to settings. And once I click on settings right here, I'll scroll down. And I'll click on the page layout, click on Elementor Canvas. Now, the Elementor Canvas is just going to load up this page and take away the header and the footer. And this is the full page, as you can see right now. So this basically is an opt-in page, and as an opt-in page, you basically have the text here, you have the pictures, you have the subtext, and then you have your form. People are going to click on this particular form right now, and they will be redirected to a next page where they can buy the product, and then you can actually get your affiliate commission. Now, these are many more, like I said earlier, are all going to be inside of the high profit affiliate marketing program. And all you simply want to do right now is to jump on that particular program using the link I have in the description, get access to this and get started with this for yourself. But then if you're selling products, you basically want to go ahead and use the website sales.co, create your free account. Okay, create your free account on sales.co. And once you're able to create your free account, coming over here, let me log into my account. You can see I've made over $1,700 right here in this space. And I will go back to the marketplace, and I'm going to pick up any of the products available right here in the marketplace, and I'll start selling using this particular method. Okay, so this is actually the walkthrough on how you can actually get to build the affiliate marketing website. And if you actually love this video, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and share it to somebody who actually needs particular content right now. If you have any questions, please do well to ask a question in the comment section below, and I'll reply to every one of them. Every link of all of the products I've actually shared with you guys is in the description of this particular video. So open up the description and get access to every link that you basically need in order to get access to the resources I've actually shared in here. Okay, so thanks so much guys for this particular video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.